Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. Before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel. Alright, so I'm going to take my black marker. Of course, you don't have to use a black marker, you can use a pencil if you want to. And I am going to start by drawing it's going to be a little bit of a weird, funny shape. So, okay, we got an upside down U, and then we came up a little bit. Okay, now from that little hill we've got here, we're gonna make another hill, like that. Now we are going to make a little shape like that, like a C, and our C is gonna come on down all the way up, like that. Now we are going to put a bottom on that shape, and I'm going to put his nose right here. And I'm going to leave a little bit of white on the end of that nose. Okay, so we've got his mouth and the nose, and now we're going to finish up this eye shape. So we're going to come on down like that. Okay, now I'm going to do a oval and another one over here. Make this one a little bit longer. And I'm going to put a circle up top here, a circle up top here, and color the inside black. Okay, now I'm going to do a little line like that and give him a bit of a smile, just a little side smile. Now up top above the eye, we got to give like a little eyebrow kind of line, so just a little one like that. And over here like that, but we're going to bring that down and kind of connect it to where the eye is here. Now, right here above this little eyebrow line, I'm going to give him his ear. So it's like a little triangle shape. And we're going to do another triangle shape on the inside. Okay, now he has 3 spikes on his head, so we're going to work on those now. Do a curved line here connecting to the eye spot here. I'm going to come in. It's touching the ear, that's okay. We're going to do another spike. Bring it on in. Okay, now we're going to do one more. And bring it on into the head here. Okay, now we need another ear here in the back. So another triangle shape. Okay, now we're going to do his arm. So started like almost like a little rounded rod here, and we're gonna curve it here for his elbow. And I'm going to put a line here. This is going to be where his gloves are. Okay. I'm going to color the inside here black. It's the shadow here from the inside of his gloves. And I'm going to do a line like that, a little line like that, one like that, and another one like that. And now we're going to do his hand. So we got one finger here, another finger, another one, another one. Come on down, and he needs a thumb. Now I'm going to draw a line from this part here coming down. This is going to be like his chest. And we need a spike on his back. So we just did like a triangle shape here. And we are going to make a line here, kind of giving him his back shape. And we're going to bring in his body here. And we're going to do a line. It's going to be his leg. Bring it on up. And we're going to do almost a full circle, but it's not a full circle because we've got his leg here. And what we're doing now is really similar to the way we did his gloves. So this is going to be the sock sticking out of his shoe. Okay, so I'm going to color in this part black as well. Okay, give a little line down. Going on down that way. Okay, now I'm going to do a line going across here. So it's going to be the sole of his shoe. And I'm going to do a stripe here. He's got a white stripe on his shoes. Oh, and he's got a little tail. So I'm going to come on up and come on back down. He's got a cute little tail. Now I'm going to do, he's got a little circle on his belly. So we're going to put that right here, just like an oval. Okay. Now I'm going to do his other leg. So this leg is going to be bent. So I did a line here, and now I'm going to bend it. And now I'm going to connect that leg. Come on down. And we are going to do that same thing that we did here with the sock and the glove. Okay, we're going to do like almost a full circle, but not quite. And then we're going to fill in black here. And then we're going to do that sock. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to come on down. Go across like that. And come on down again, like a little hill. And I'm going to give him the sole of his shoe. And then that stripe. Okay. All right, so we're not quite done yet. We're going to draw Sonic holding onto a gold ring because he collects rings in the game. So I'm going to start right above here. And I'm going to do, this is going to be his thumb. And now we are slowly making some fingers here. Just adding them in. Okay. Now from back here, we're going to do a circle shape. So this is going to be the ring. He's holding on to it. And then outline that. Okay. And now bring the fist in here so we can do a line. Give him a little bit of a line there for his palm. And then bring in the other part. Add that little line down here. And now we're going to do a line like that, and one like that, and there. And now we need the arm. So line like this, and then add that one, and connect it to his body here in the back. Okay, So now we got Sonic holding on to his ring. All right, so I'm gonna add some color. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of Sonic the Hedgehog. So I hope you had fun drawing, and I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye!